Today I'm going to show you how to prepare an incredibly creamy, refreshing, and delicious lemon mousse using only 3 ingredients. It's the perfect dessert for those who want to impress without complications, as it's ready in less than 5 minutes, doesn't require gelatin, doesn't need baking, and the result is simply incredible. The first tip is, use very fresh and firm lemons with bright green peel, as they generally have more aroma and much more juice. Before squeezing the lemons, use a very fine grater to gently remove only the green part of the peel. After grating the peels, reserve everything in a small bowl and use only at the end. And don't forget, the ingredient list is in the video description. Now let's prepare the juice. Cut approximately 6 lemons in half. Use a manual or electric juicer and squeeze all the lemons until you obtain exactly 150 milliliters of pure juice. Do not add water under any circumstances. The secret to this recipe is using concentrated natural juice, as it will give the characteristic flavor and also help with the consistency of the mousse. With the juice ready, it's time to use the blender. Before adding all the ingredients, there's a small detail that makes the texture even creamier. First, put just 1 can of condensed milk in the blender cup. Turn it on at medium speed and let it blend for about 30 seconds. It may seem like a simple detail, but this time helps incorporate more air into the condensed milk and makes the mousse even lighter and more consistent. While blending, notice how the texture becomes shinier and slightly airy. This small step makes all the difference, especially after adding the lemon to the mixture. After 30 seconds, pour in the 150 milliliters of lemon juice. You will notice an almost immediate transformation. In a few seconds, the mixture begins to thicken naturally. This happens because the acidity of the lemon reacts with the dairy ingredients, creating a firm texture without the need for gelatin or any other thickener. Continue blending for approximately 20 seconds so that all the juice is completely incorporated. Notice that the cream begins to acquire a much thicker, smoother, and shinier appearance. Now it's time to add the 2 cartons of fresh cream. Pour the entire contents into the blender and blend again for approximately 1 minute. This ingredient is responsible for making the mousse extremely creamy, smooth, and for perfectly balancing the acidity of the lemon. During the blending process, the mixture will become increasingly homogeneous. The cream should be completely smooth, without any separation between the ingredients, and with a thick texture that slowly runs down the sides of the blender jar. If it is still too liquid, blend for a few more seconds until it reaches this point. When the cream is ready, turn off the blender. Just observe how it has already acquired an incredible consistency. At this point, you can already observe an extremely silky, shiny, and uniform texture. And if you are enjoying this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and help it grow. Thank you very much. Now choose how you want to serve it. You can place the entire mousse in a beautiful serving dish for the whole family or divide it into small individual cups, which makes the presentation much more elegant. Pour directly from the blender, using slow movements to avoid splashing. With the cups ready or the serving dish assembled, now it's time to decorate. Take the reserved lemon zest from the beginning of the recipe and gently sprinkle it over the entire surface. Besides making the dessert much prettier, it releases a fresh and intense aroma that perfectly complements the flavor of the mousse. Also decorate with small mint leaves for a special touch. If desired, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. The minimum time is 2 hours, but if you can leave it for 3 or 4 hours, the texture will be even firmer and creamier. After the refrigeration time, remove the mousse and observe how much firmer it is. The surface remains smooth and shiny, showing that the consistency is perfect. With the first spoonful, you immediately feel the perfect contrast between the sweetness of the condensed milk, the creaminess of the heavy cream, and the striking freshness of the lemon. And the best part of this recipe is that this mousse base doesn't have to be made only with lemon. Simply choose a delicious fruit and use the pulp or concentrated juice to avoid adding excess liquid and keep the mousse creamy and consistent. So, with the same base of condensed milk and heavy cream, you can prepare a wide variety of desserts, completely changing the flavor according to the fruit chosen. Now just serve and enjoy every spoonful of this chilled delight and share this special moment with those you love most. And if you like this recipe, leave a like, comment on what you thought of this mousse, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until the next video.